In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select objects in AutoCAD. Selection is one of the most important skills in AutoCAD because almost every command starts by choosing what you want to work with. Let's walk through the core methods so you can pick exactly the right objects quickly and confidently. The simplest method is individual selection. Move your cursor over an object and click it to select. You'll see a visual highlight letting you know it's active. If you need more than one item, just keep clicking additional objects to include them. This method is great for small edits or when objects are clearly separated, because it gives you precise control without affecting anything else in your drawing. When you need to grab several items at once, use box selection. Click on an empty area in your drawing to start, then drag to form a rectangular window. The direction you drag matters. If you drag from left to right, you'll see a blue window. This is a window selection, and it only selects objects that are completely inside the box. It's perfect when you want to avoid catching nearby elements by accident. If you drag from right to left, you'll see a green window. This is a crossing selection, and it selects any object the box touches, even if it's only partially inset. Use this when objects are dense or overlapped, and you want to quickly gather anything in that zone without being too exact. For even more control around irregular shapes, use the lasso selector. Click and hold your mouse, then trace a freeform boundary around the area you want. Just like the boxes, direction affects behavior. Drawing from left to right acts like a blue window and includes only objects fully enclosed by your lasso. Drawing from right to left acts like a green crossing selection and picks anything your lasso touches. The lasso is especially useful when objects don't line up neatly in a rectangle or when you need to weave between elements to avoid selecting them. As you work, take a moment to zoom in or pan so you can see the edges clearly before you commit to a selection. With practice, you'll start choosing the method that matches the situation. Click for precision, blue window for clean, contained groups, green crossing for speed in busy areas, and lasso for complex outlines. That's all you need to confidently select objects in AutoCAD. Try each method in a simple drawing, notice the color cues and direction, and you'll move through your projects faster and with fewer mistakes.